Hello and welcome to the video where you can completely relax. So now I'd like you to move into Shavasana if you're not already there. If you feel like you could fall asleep lying down rather than meditating, then I recommend stay sitting up. Just find some pillow so you can feel comfortable and find any seated position that suits you. Alright, so once you're there, and if you're in Shavasana, your palms should be facing the ceiling and your feet slightly apart, toes falling outwards, so you're completely relaxed. Close your eyes. If you're in seated position, again try to be comfortable and close your eyes as well. And start realizing how you're feeling at this moment. And start noticing your own breath. So observe how the breath is getting in the oxygen into your lungs. And as you exhale, the lungs are being depleted, get smaller, as well as your belly. So you can observe how your chest and belly is rising and falling as you breathe. Now I want you to focus on your right foot. Imagine how light is entering this right foot. It could be a sunlight, it could be moonlight, anything that suits your imagination. And this light starting to touch your toes on the right foot, and it's spreading all over your foot, making this area nice and relaxed. And this light is continuing to spread and travel through your right ankle all the way to your shin and calf, again making this area soft, relaxed. And we'll allow this light to go through our right knee all the way to the thigh, our hamstrings, leaving this area behind nicely relaxed and heavy, connecting deeper with the ground. And let's allow the light to travel to our right hip. And at this moment we can feel that our whole right leg is nicely relaxed, getting a bit heavier, connecting with the ground Now I want you to focus on your left foot. And again, imagine this light entering your left toes and slowly spreading all over your foot, your heel included, making the foot relaxed and growing through the ankle, spreading all the way to the left calf and shin, making this area relaxed. Now we'll allow the light to travel further through the knee, to the left thigh, hamstrings, all the way to the left hip. Now feel how the light made this area again nice and relaxed, falling deeper into the ground. Now point your attention to your right hand. Again, imagine all the fingers as they are allowing this light to enter. And the light is slowly spreading through the palm, to your right wrist, to your forearm, making this area heavy and nicely relaxed. And the light travels through your elbow, upper arm, all the way to the shoulder. Your right arm is now heavy, relaxed, falling deeper down into the ground. It's time to connect with our left hand and its fingers. So again, imagine this light gently entering your fingers, your fingernails, your hand, and it's spreading through the left wrist to the forearm, through the elbow to the upper arm and to the shoulder. Now all our limbs are relaxed. We completely let go with this energy. Now start focusing on your lower belly, lower back. And again, imagine how this light is entering even here, allowing it to spread further to the chest, to the upper back, filling all the way up to the neck, leaving the area behind relaxed internal organs, your heart, are just in peace, letting go. And let the light travel through your neck, all the way to the head. Imagine how the light is spreading there and making your ears, nose, lips, tongue, eyes, and even hair completely relaxed. Even your jaw is completely relaxed as well. And now we are just enjoying being full of this relaxing light. Wherever you are, gently come back to your body, come back to your breath. Start minding your breath again. Observe how your belly and chest is rising and falling. You can start breathing a bit deeper. Start waking up a little bit. And maybe start wiggling your toes and your fingers, moving them a little bit. Just to wake up the body. Keep your eyes closed. those who are lying down in Shavasana, move onto the side, into the fetus pose. Stay there a little bit. And once you're ready, slowly come up into seated. Still with your eyes closed, unite your palms in front of your chest. Long inhale and exhale through your mouth. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. Last one. You may open your eyes. I hope you had a nice relaxation, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.